Hi there YouTube, hope you guys are good. I'm currently in another live trade. I haven't done a live trade video in quite some time. I'm currently short 25 lots on GbpUsd. I just want to close out, I'm going to close out 20 lots here. That'll probably, that's going to make me about 6 grand, so that's 6k locked in. It's going to move my stop slightly further into profits. I'm just going to leave these 5, so I've closed out about 80% of my position. I'm just going to leave these 5 lots, which is about 15 to 20% of my full position. I'm just going to let this work for me, these 5 lots. I'm pretty sure the price is going to break this lower support level. It's just testing this lower support. But I'm going to walk you guys through this whole trade. I'm going to show it to you from start to finish, like I usually do in my other videos. But I'm just going to let you guys see what happens with this 5 lots. Because this market may drop another 50 to 100 pips. I mean, you never know how far the market's going to drop. So I'm just going to show you, I'm just going to go through this whole trade with you guys live. Let's see how it plays out, guys. They're currently up about 20 pips. I may have to fast forward the video or skip parts of this video because this might take a while to play out, you know. So just bear with me, watch the full video, guys. I'm not stressed now, guys. I mean, my stops, and I've locked in 6 grand, and I mean my stops in, you know, just below my entry, so I can't lose any money. Even if the market gaps up, I'll be fine. So I take about 2 or 3 trades like this a week, guys. So if you guys do want to learn how to trade actually start doing this for yourselves and make some nice passive income on the side, then you guys must just click on that link below in the description, and there'll be a link there to my course where I'll actually teach you guys exactly how I trade and how I find these sniper entries. It's not hard, guys. It's so basic how I find these entries. It's like child's play, literally. Just remember, guys, this is the hourly time frame. So I'm trading the hourly and the 4-hour mainly. I do incorporate 2 other strategies which show you lower time frames. I trade and scalp lower time frames, but I prefer the hourly and 4-hour. That's where I make majority of my money. So guys, let's just see how this trade plays out. Hi there, guys, I'm back again. I'm still in the trade. As I said before, I'd show you guys the full trade. Currently up over just 40 pips. So it looks like it broke through that support area that I pointed out earlier, and it looks like it's testing this next support. To be honest, guys, it's Friday. I'd probably let this trade run for 50 to 100 pips more, but you know, it's Friday. It's already 6:30 here in New Zealand in the evening. We're in the evening now, so I'm probably just going to close this out. I was at 1.5 on this trade. Now I'm sitting on 3 grand. So I locked in that 6k earlier. So this is an extra nice 3k which I've let run on those 5 lots. See how important it is, guys, to lock in majority of your profits or 80% of your profits and leave a little bit extra to run to make you a little bit more money, guys. That's a little trick you can use. So I'm happy with these profits, guys. So I'm probably just going to close out now. As you can see, it's rejecting this lower support level. My equity, I'm sitting at 155k. I'm happy with that. Doing really well this month. But if you guys want to learn exactly how I trade and how I find these sniper entries and how to actually follow smart money, it's so easy, guys. It's literally like child's play. So if you want to learn, just click on that link down below in the description, and I'll happily help you guys out. My course is in the description, and you guys can purchase it. It's really cheap compared to other people's courses, and I'll happily give you guys my exact strategies, and it'll really boost your trading. It'll take your trading to the next level, guys. Seriously, I've been in these markets for about 4 years, and I've been consistently profitable for about 2 years or 2.5 years. So you'll be learning from the best, guys. Believe me, you will be learning from the best. Peace, guys.